Today I'm going to be reviewing this digital camera. Thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this camera. This is by the brand VTaler. So let's check it out. It shoots HD video, 18 time zoom, 64 megapixel resolution, and it has a USB as well. For the charging port, so let's open this up. So cute. This is in the color pink, but other color options are available for this camera. It's actually not very lightweight. It is not heavy, but I thought it was going to be a lot lighter than this. But wow, it's like a baby pink camera. All right, let's see what else is inside the box. So you do get a user manual for this camera, just kind of walks you through the camera itself. It is available in a variety of languages. You get a microfiber cloth. Oh, cute. Okay, so you get this little beaded bracelet. It's kind of like to wrap it around your wrist. So it's like a little wristlet. You want to go ahead and put it in this side right here. Let me show you real quick. Super cute wristlet. So if you do want to add the wristlet, you just have to put it in through those holes right up there. Okay, here is the charging cable. This is Type-C to USB. Ooh, you also get a little carrying pouch. It's like a velvety pink little carrying pouch, and you can put it in there. Go ahead and take it on the go with you. And here is the little flash drive. All right, I'm going to go ahead and power it on, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look to see what the camera looks like up close and personal. Okay, so here is the camera. As you can see, everything is nice and labeled. This is the screen itself. Then up here you have the camera, the video recording. Let me show you the front of the camera. Very, very nice detail. You got the 18x digital zoom lens. It does have the face recognition. As you can see, it has a little square right there. All right, I went ahead and took a selfie. So let's go ahead and review it. All right, to review your gallery, then you want to go ahead and flip this up right here. And as you can see, I took a quick selfie. It actually came out pretty clear. So I'm going to record a video real quick on this, and we'll see what it looks like. To change the mode on this from camera to the camcorder, you want to just go ahead and press that. And as you can see, it swaps it over to recording. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's give this a try. All right, let's check and see. I wasn't sure if it was recording, but let's check out that video. All right, so as you could see, it does have an integrated microphone in here. It did sound a little muffled, but it's coming directly from the camera. So honestly, it was pretty clear. I just think it wasn't the clearest, like if you were to use an actual mic, but it was pretty clear. I think the video itself was actually really good. It was clear. It did say it shot it in 2K. To be quite honest with you, I was actually pretty surprised on how clear this camera shot. So if you're looking for a camera, if you're a beginner, maybe you're just wanting a camera instead of using a disposable camera, maybe you're just looking for a cute camera you could take on vacation, cute camera to document, cute camera to vlog, to take pictures, to make memories with friends and family, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you could go ahead and check out the other color options they have available, like black, white, and this soft pink one. Again, this is the VTaler digital camera. It's a great choice for capturing memories, creating content, and making photography fun.